Chulo came all the way from Makati City, braving Bocaue, Bulacan's heavy traffic just to buy some fireworks for his family's New Year celebration.
Tradisyon na yung pagka medyo kahit papaano may pailaw ka sa salubong ng New Year.
He noticed, however, he's now getting less from his money's worth compared to previous years.
Dating 10,000 marami nang nabibili yun. Ngayon 14,000 na yan lang.
Retailer Elvira Navarro explains they're also getting less supply at higher prices from manufacturers. She says raw materials from abroad are not enough. They have no choice but to also jack up their prices.
Dapat may tubo ka kahit papano. Kasi siyempre may inupahan ka, may tao ka.
Elvira says they're missing the opportunity now that more people are buying fireworks after last year's muted revelry.
Lungkot nung nakarang New Year. Ngayon,
Medyo okay na. Okay. Malaya.
Authorities, meanwhile, are seeing another challenge, the presence of uncertified fireworks. During their inspection in Bocaue, 6 stalls were caught selling uncertified fireworks products. They sealed and confiscated the items. The retailers and manufacturers also have to explain to the DTI.
It could be that it was manufactured by a manufacturer that does not have a license. Or, even if the manufacturer has a license, that product which we have confiscated, sealed and confiscated, is not included in the license.
If you're buying some fireworks, make sure there's a PS mark or the Philippine Standard Quality and Safety mark. This is important to make sure the product you're getting is safe and legal. Trade Department officials also monitored groceries to check prices of medianoche items. She says pasta, mayonnaise, cheese, among others, are still within their suggested retail prices. They notice, however, that there's almost no supply of ham and queso de bola in this supermarket in Culacan City. Officials say this might mean retailers are not expecting this much demand from consumers, a sign that more people want to move on from the pandemic and celebrate the coming year. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.